Hello, my dear students. I'm Shama Parveen, your English educator. Today, I'm welcoming you in my session. Today, we are going to start a chapter named The Foolish Lion and the Clever Rabbit. So, come with me and let's explore the chapter. As already being told, Panchtantra is a renowned collection of moral tales and stories. The most significant thing about Panchtantra is that most of the stories have animals or birds as their main character, and the morals are imparted through this story. So actually this is the introduction of this chapter. This chapter is adopted from the very famous Panchtantra tales. I hope you all know what is the meaning of Panchtantra tales. It is the most famous collection of stories. Okay? See, इस चैप्टर के थ्रू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स आप ये देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से एक बेवकूफ लायन मीन्स लायन कैसे बेवकूफ हो सकता है, बट इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे कैसे एक लायन बेवकूफ बन गया और वो बनता है बेवकूफ एक क्लेवर रैबिट के थ्रू. ओके, सो मेरे साथ आइए चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस स्टोरीज ऑफ द पंचतंत्र. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दिस स्टोरी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस पंचतंत्र स्टोरीज. Once upon a time, there lived a cruel lion by the name Bhasuraka in a dense forest. So, my dear student, once upon a time, in the dense forest, you can see on this picture, once upon a time, in a very dense forest, there lived a lion. And the name of that lion is Bhasuraka. Okay? So, एक टाइम की बात है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, एक लायन रहता था एक बहुत ही घने जंगल में. ठीक है, और उस लायन का क्या नाम था? भसूराका. ठीक है, ही वॉज वेरी पावरफुल, फेरोशियस एंड एरोगेंट. ओके, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ताकतवर था. ठीक है, लेकिन वो जितना ताकतवर था वो उतना ही गुस्से वाला था. ठीक है, उसको हर छोटी छोटी चीजों पे गुस्सा आ जाता था. He used to kill the animals of the forest to gratify his anger. And you know what, my dear students, okay, for each and every small things, this lion started killing innocent animals of the jungle. Okay? This action of the lion became the cause of worry for the animals of the forest. अच्छा, ये जो लायन है आप देख सकते हो स्क्रीन पे, भसूराका जिसका नाम है, ये हर छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए उसने जानवरों को मारना जब शुरू किया तो इसकी वजह से जो सारे जंगल के जानवर थे उनके अंदर गुस्सा पैदा हुआ, वो बहुत ही गुस्सा होने लगे. ठीक है, they were worried that after some time none of them would be left alive. Now, my dear students, all the animals of that dense jungle, now they are worrying about their own life because they are thinking that if the rate of constant killing of other animals by this lion increased day by day, then maybe at one day no single animal left in this forest. Okay, they discussed this problem among themselves and came upon the decision to hold a meeting with the lion. They wanted to arrive on a friendly settlement with the lion and to put an end to the problem. अच्छा, जब सारे जानवरों ने ना आपस में डिसाइड कर लिया, ठीक है, कि अगर इसी तरीके से ये जो शेर है जिसका नाम भसूरा का है, अगर ये इसी तरीके से शिकार पे शिकार करता रहेगा तो वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब सारे जंगल से जानवर ही खत्म हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो इन लोगों ने आपस में बात किया और ये डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग अब पर्सनली जाकर इस शेर से बात करेंगे. ठीक है, they wanted to arrive on a friendly settlement with the lion and to put an end to the problem. Now, why all those other animals wanted to meet with this lion? Because they bring a very friendly solution and they want to keep that friendly solution in front of them. Okay, that's why they all came. Okay, and stand in front of this lion. As you can see on this picture, my dear students, okay, this is the ferocious lion and all the animals are bowing their head in front of this ferocious lion. Okay, so as you can see, there are 2-3 words which we already which we discussed in this previous paragraph. Ferocious means fierce and savage. Gratify means please or delight. Arrogant means aggressively assertive or presumptions. Okay? Now let's move onward. One day, as per the plan, all the animals of the forest gathered under a big tree. तो जैसा कि सारे जानवरों ने डिसाइड किया था, ठीक है, तो प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग अगले दिन सारे के सारे जानवर जंगल के इकट्ठा होते हैं एक बड़े से पेड़ के नीचे. They invited the king lion to attend the meeting. Now all the animals who gathered under the big tree, they invited their king, the lion. In the meeting, the representative of the animals said, Your Majesty, it is our happiness that we got you as our king. So when the meeting is started, the representative of the other animals, okay, he bowed down his head in respect and said, Your Majesty, it is our happiness, okay? Your Majesty, it is our happiness, it is our good luck that you are our king. We are all the more happy that you are attending this meeting. ठीक है और हम सारे बहुत ज्यादा खुश हैं क्योंकि आज आप ये मीटिंग हमारे साथ अटेंड कर रहे हैं. The king lion thanked them and replied, What is the matter? Why we have gathered here? Now see, after hearing praised word for himself, the king lion was very much pleased. Okay, that's why he immediately asked, Can anyone please tell me what is the matter going here? Why we all gathered together today? All the animals started looking at each other. Now, all the animals, okay? Now, all the animals of the jungle started looking at each other. They were recollecting enough courage to start the topic. अच्छा वो सारे जानवर एक दूसरे को क्यों देख रहे थे? क्योंकि वो खड़े थे एक बहुत ही खूंखार जानवर शेर के सामने, ठीक है, और उनसे बात करनी थी उनको, ठीक है, तो उन लोगों ने अपने अंदर की सारी हिम्मत जुटाई जिससे वो बात करना शुरू कर सके. सर, इट्स नेचुरल दैट यू हैव टू किल अस फॉर योर फूड. और बहुत सारा करेज जुटाने के बाद एक ने बोला कि सर, आप आज नहीं तो कल अपने खाने के लिए हम में से सबको मार ही डालेंगे. बट किलिंग मोर देन what is required is not a good approach. But your majesty, okay, आप अगर आपका पेट एक बकरी को मार के भर जा रहा है तो अगर आप 2 को मार रहे हो या 3 को मार रहे हो वो तो अच्छी बात नहीं है, ठीक है. बहुत डरते हुए एक जानवर ने ये सारी बातें किंग लायन के सामने बोली. If you go on killing the animals without any purpose, very soon a day will come when there will be no animal left in the forest. So that animal continued his statement that, see my king, if you are continuing your hunting in such a in such increase, okay, in such speed, okay, then it is 100% sure that after some day all the animals of this jungle will definitely dead. The king lion roared, so what do you want? Now you can see that king lion was feeling insulted. That's why immediately he started roaring, okay, and he asked, क्या चाहते हो तुम लोग कि मैं भूखा ही मर जाऊं? One of the animal replied, Your Majesty, we have already discussed the problem among ourselves and have come upon a solution. तो जब लायन बहुत जोरों से चिल्लाया कि तुम लोग क्या चाहते हो कि मैं खाना भी ना खाऊं, तब एक एनिमल ने बहुत ही हम्बल वे में जवाब दिया कि योर मैजेस्टी, इस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन भी हम लोगों ने खोज लिया है, इसीलिए आज हम आपके सामने खड़े हैं. We have decided to send one animal daily to your den, and now the solution which we get, that according to that solution each one of us, okay, means each animal from among us will go to your den as your food. You can kill and eat it the way you like, okay, so you can kill that animal who came in your den, and after killing them you can eat it. This will also save you from the trouble of hunting, okay, and this solution my majesty will also save you from the problem of hunting. You don't need to go for hunting because every day, each and every day, you are going to get one animal for your food. Okay? The lion replied, "Fine, I agree to this proposal, but make sure that the animal must reach to me in time. Otherwise, I will kill all the animals of the jungle." Okay. Now you can see, my dear student, the king lion was very much pleased. Okay. He immediately agreed, but he also issued a warning. He said, "Okay, no problem. I'm going to accept your offer. It is acceptable for me. Now I'm accepting your offer. But remember the animal which is going to be my food. Don't be late. Okay? If there will be slight late on my food, on the arrival of my food, then I'm going to take a revenge. And I'm going to kill all the animals of the jungle instantly." Okay? The animals agreed to this proposal. Now, the rest of the animals of the jungle immediately agreed to this proposal. From that day onwards, daily an animal was sent to the king to become his food. अच्छा, इस दिन के बाद से जब ये मीटिंग खत्म हो गई, इस दिन के बाद से सारे जानवर एक एक करके डेली लायन के डेन में, मतलब लायन के गुफा में जाने लगे, लायन का खाना बन के. The lion was very happy to have his food right before him without taking any pains of hunting. Now you can see, my dear student, the lion was feeling really very happy because without putting any effort on hunting, he was going to get a delicious food in the form of animals. That's why he was feeling very happy and as well as very relaxed. So every day it was the turn of one of the animals. So ये एक ना रिचुअल बन गया, my dear students, कि हर दिन एक एक जानवर जाते थे शेर के सामने उसका खाना बन के. Once it was a turn of a rabbit to go to the lion's den. So my dear student, here you can see in this picture there is a rabbit. Okay, so एक दिन क्या होता है, इस प्यारे से rabbit का turn रहता है lion का खाना बन के जाने की. The rabbit was old and wise, but you know what? This rabbit was old and wise. He was unwilling to go, but the other animals forced him to go. But पता है ये जो रैबिट था ना, इसका मन बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. एक तो ये बूढ़ा था, ठीक है, तो इसीलिए नहीं जाना नहीं चाहता था. लेकिन दूसरे जंगल के जानवरों ने इसे बहुत फोर्स किया कि नहीं, तुम्हें ही जाना पड़ेगा आज लायन का खाना बनने के लिए. The rabbit thought of a plan which would save his life and the lives of other animals of the forest. So at that moment, when other animals are insisting this rabbit that you have to go to become the food of the lion, immediately at that time, this clever old and wise rabbit planned. Okay, plan. Okay, that old rabbit immediately just think about a plan, and according to that plan, he is going to save his own life as well as the life of other animal of the forest. He took his own sweet time to go to the lion and reach the lion's den a little late than the usual time. So, अच्छा क्या प्लान सोचा था इस बूढ़े रैबिट ने? इस रैबिट ने ये प्लान सोचा कि किस तरीके से ये खुद को भी बचा सकता है और साथ ही साथ दूसरे जानवरों को भी ये बचा सकता है जंगल के. तो इसी प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग ये रैबिट लेट पहुंचता है शेर के पास. और आपको याद होगा, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने अभी कुछ टाइम पहले डिस्कस किया है कि लायन ने क्या कहा था कि अगर मेरे खाना आने में कभी भी लेट हुआ तो मैं सारे जानवरों को मार के खा जाऊंगा. उसने यही बोला था. तो इसीलिए ये जो रैबिट है ये एक प्लान बनाता है जिस प्लान के थ्रू खुद को भी सेव कर सकता है, दूसरे जानवरों को भी ये सेव कर सकता है. इसीलिए अपने प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग ये लायन के गुफा में देर से पहुंचता है. Here you can see there are the two new words. Recollecting means remembering. To succeed in remembering, calling to mind. Approach, a way of dealing with something. The lion was getting impatient on not seeing any animal by that time. Now you can see the lion was growing impatient because first of all he was hungry at that moment and he was impatiently waiting for the arrival of his food. The lion got extremely furious when he saw a small rabbit for his meal. अच्छा, एक तो लायन को भूख लगी है, दूसरा वो भूख की वजह से उसे गुस्सा आ रहा है, और जब उसे गुस्सा आया तो उसने ये देखा कि उसके सामने से एक बहुत ही छोटा सा रैबिट चलता हुआ आ रहा है उसके खाने के लिए। तो ये जब देखता है कि एक तो मुझे इतनी भूख लगी है और दूसरा मेरे खाने के लिए आज जानवरों ने इतने छोटे, वो भी बूढ़े रैबिट को भेजा है, ये सब कुछ देख के लायन को और गुस्सा आता है। He swore to kill all the animals. As you remember, okay, lion took an oath that if there will be a slight delay in the arrival of my food, then I'm going to kill all the animals of this jungle. Immediately, the lion thought, no way. Now I'm going to kill all the animals of the jungle. Rabbit with folded hand hesitantly explained. Okay, लायन ने अपने हाथ को ऐसे जोड़ा और बहुत डरते डरते, हेजिटेंटली का मतलब क्या है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? हेजिटेंटली का मतलब है कि जब आप कोई भी बात बोलने में थोड़ा सा झिझकते हैं, ठीक है, तो लायन ने अपने हाथों को ऐसे फोल्ड किया और साथ ही साथ बहुत झिझकते हुए उसने बोलना शुरू किया। Your Majesty, I am not to be blamed for that. Actually, 6 rabbits were sent to make your meal, but 5 of them were killed and devoured by another lion. अच्छा, हाथ जोड़ के लायन रैबिट ने क्या बोला कि योर मैजेस्टी, इट इज नॉट माई फॉल्ट दैट आई अराइव्ड स्लाइट लेट फॉर योर फूड, along with me other 5 rabbits were also sent. Okay, means we have total 6 rabbits who are going to become your food for today, but unfortunately on the way all those 5 rabbits were killed by another lion. Okay, he also claimed to be the king of the forest. I have somehow escaped to reach here safely. अच्छा, रैबिट ने ये बोला कि माय मैजेस्टी, मेरे साथ साथ 5 और रैबिट आए थे जो आपका खाना आज बनने वाले थे, ठीक है, लेकिन उनको दूसरे शेर ने खा लिया, और साथ ही साथ वो शेर जब उन्हें खा रहा था, मैं तो किसी तरीके से अपना जान बचा के भाग आया वहां से। वो शेर ये भी बोल रहा था कि मैं जंगल का राजा हूं, ठीक है, इस पूरे जंगल का राजा मैं हूं। The king lion howled in great anger and said, now the king lion was literally got very angry and he started howling. Okay, and in anger he said, impossible, there cannot be another king of this forest. Now you can see ये lion क्या बोलता है, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, इस पूरे जंगल का राजा तो मैं हूं, मेरे अलावा कौन दूसरा राजा यहाँ आ गया। Tell me, who is he? I will kill him. तो वो रैबिट से पूछता है, मुझे बताओ कौन है वो, मैं उसको मारने जा रहा हूं। Take me to the place where you saw him. तो वो खरगोश से कहता है कि ठीक है, तुम मुझे उस जगह पे ले जाओ जहां पे वो दूसरा लायन रहता है। The intelligent rabbit agreed and took the lion towards a deep well filled with water. अच्छा, वो आपको पता है कि वो जो रैबिट था वो बूढ़ा था और साथ ही साथ बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट था, तो वो इंटेलिजेंट रैबिट लायन को लेके जाता है बहुत ही ज्यादा गहरे कुएं के साइड में, ठीक है, और वो कुआं पूरा का पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ था। When they reached near the well, the rabbit said, this is the place where he lives. He might be hiding inside. Now, when that intelligent rabbit took lion with him near the deep field with water well, immediately he said, my majesty, have a look here. From my point of view, that another lion reside inside this well. Just have a look. The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection. Okay, now after the continuous insistence from the rabbit, now the lion took a look on the well water, and immediately a reflection appeared in front of his own eye. And you know what? That reflection was his own. ठीक है, जब इसने उस कुएं के पानी में देखा तो उसको अपने खुद की परछाई दिखाई दी, तो उसने इस बेवकूफ लायन को ये लगा कि ये दूसरा लायन, उसे ये समझ में नहीं आया, क्योंकि एक तो उसे भूख लगी थी, उसे ये समझ में नहीं आया कि ये तो मेरी ही परछाई है। He thought it was the other lion. Okay, immediately that foolish lion thought, oh, this is another lion. The lion was furious and started growling. Now, अच्छा, वो लायन ना बहुत गुस्सा था और वो देखकर उस परछाई को देखकर वो घुर्राने लगता है। Naturally, the image in the water was of the other lion, which was also equally anger. And now, when the lion, okay, means when the king lion was growling in anger, okay, similarly, his own reflection was also growling in anger, because that image belongs to this king lion. Okay, so the activity which this lion is performing, same activity is performing the image of the water. Okay, in order to kill the other lion, he jumped into the well. The lion darted his head against the rock and drowned in the deep well. So जब लायन ने ये देखा कि मैं जैसे गुस्सा कर रहा हूं, वो इमेज भी वैसे ही गुस्सा कर रही है, तो इमीडिएटली उसे मारने के लिए ये लायन क्या करता है, कुएं में कूद जाता है। ठीक है, और जैसे ही वो कुएं में कूदता है, वो थोड़ी देर के लिए अपने सर को पानी से बाहर निकालता है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये लायन उसमें डूब जाता है। ठीक है, The wise rabbit, with a sigh of relief, went back to other animal and narrated the whole story. अब वो जो बूढ़ा रैबिट है उसने चैन की सांस ली, और जब वो चैन की सांस लेता है तब वो वहां से चला जाता है, और वहां से जाने के बाद वो जंगल के बाकी सारे एनिमल्स को ये कहानी सुनाता है कि उसने क्या किया है। All the animals got happy and praised the rabbit for his wit. Now, all the animals of the jungle, after listening the story of this old rabbit, how he succeeded in killing of that cruel king lion, they all become very happy. Okay, and they started praising this old rabbit. Thus, the jubilant rabbit saved all the animals from the proud lion, and they all lived cheerfully thereafter. Now, after using his brain properly and after making a genius plan, this old and intelligent rabbit finally succeeded in killing the lion and saving his as well as the other animals of the jungle life. Okay, so this is all about, my dear, in this chapter. Now, what moral means, हमें इस chapter से क्या सीखने को मिलता है? Let's have a look. Moral: intelligence is superior to physical strength. ठीक है, मतलब आपके पास जो ये दिमाग है, ये दिमाग आपके फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, सो ऑलवेज यूज योर ब्रेन in comparison of your strength. Okay, so come with me and let's have a look on few new words. Swore, state or promise solemnly on or oath. Devoured, eat ferociously and gulp or destroy. Halt, loud, doleful cry of an animal, etc. Darted, sudden rapid movement. Jubilant, happy and triumph. So my dear students, I hope you all understood this chapter. Okay, now go thoroughly through this chapter and complete the exercise based on this chapter. Okay, now I'm taking leave from all of you and going to meet with you all in my next session with a new chapter. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.